Okay, we have some things to accomplish this first week, and they have to be accomplished at home. The first is through a company called Quia, Quia, and the link for it is right here. We have my contact information, we have the calendar, but I want to start with the Quia stuff. If you click on that link, I use an account from this company called Quia, and what they allow me to do is generate online quizzes, which you'll take at home and you will do as part of our curriculum. What you need to do during the first week is generate your own free account through Quia to make that happen. So I'm going to walk you through that process now. So let's assume I'm in chemistry hour 2. If I want to register for my account, I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to give me these instructions. The class is chemistry hour 2, and there's going to be a special class code. So I'm going to highlight that code, and I'm going to copy it, because I'm going to need to punch that in later, and it's just easier for me to copy it now. And then I'm going to register for my account. Now, depending on what teachers you had previously, you may already have a Quia account. Maybe you did it in a previous class or through our Egan Academy type of Quia stuff. So if you do not have an account, you'll start here. If you do have an account, you go down here and work that way. So I'm going to assume we do not have accounts, and we're going to work in that direction. So we want to go to the actual website. So we're going to click on quia.com/web, and it brings us to this screen. Biggest mistake students make is they click here for instructors. You're not an instructor. If you do that, after 30 days, they'll cancel your account, and then you'll lose everything. So make sure that you start over here where it says students, and just go ahead and click on students anywhere in the yellow, and then it gives you a place to log in. If you have an account, you can just log in. I'm assuming we don't, so I'm going to create a free account, which is right here. And make sure the button says student, not instructor. Clicking instructor doesn't give you any special rights or special screens or anything that gets you answers. All it does is basically limit your account for 30 days, and then you lose your account. So I'm going to select a username. I'll just call it Bob Boberson, and I'll choose a password, which will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 AA, and then retype the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 AA. When you're doing this, pick your own username, pick your own password, something that you know. My first name, I'm Bob. My last name is Boberson, and then put in a real email. Okay. Please put in a real email address here. This is the only way that the system can email you and tell you your username or password if you forget it. I do not see your username. I do not see your passwords. I cannot find those for you. It's not something that they allow me to see, being just the teacher that runs the class. So please use a real email. That way you can find that. And then just create your account. The name's already taken because I probably have used it in previous years. So I'll be Bob Boberson 1 instead, and then now I'll create my account. And it's going to ask me, what classes are you enrolled in? So here is where I paste back in that class code. So I paste in my class code, RDBM374, and I add the class. And once you're done with that, you will have the class name as Honors Chemistry Hour 2. I'm your instructor, and here's the class. So we can actually view the class. And here's some of your instructions on the quizzes. And when the first quiz is assigned, down here, the first quiz will pop up as being assigned. Now your first quiz is not assigned yet, so it does not show up yet on here. But this is where you're going to be doing your quizzes. So read through these instructions, and then we'll talk about those also before your first quiz. So that is how you sign up. Once you're done with that, you are done with signing up for your Quia account.